guys, welcome to another recipe for my channel. See, we're making pancake corn dog. Okay, so we have 2 cups of pancake here, pancake mix, and then our milk. So we'll just have to mix them together to make a batter. Okay, easy as that. Use a whisk and mix it, and then until it's fully mixed together. And then after this, you can refrigerate this for 30 minutes for the batter to thicken, and then put it in a glass, and then you're going to start frying your corn dog. Okay, now we already have our hot dog. Our batter is already ready, so we dip it into the glass and twirl it. Okay, leave the excess. Again, so it is fully coated. Then put it in our hot pan with oil. Okay, after a few minutes, our corn dog the other side of our corn dog is already brown. So we turn to the other side. Once the other side is already brown, take out from the pan and enjoy your corn dog. Presenting our beautiful corn dog. I'm sure kids would love it. Serve it hot and enjoy your meal.